Hey guys, I wanted to take a brief moment here and touch briefly on the hosts file on a Linux system and what that is and what it does, because we're going to be using it in the next video, and for the next few videos we're going to have to configure some things in our hosts file. So to put it simply, and I'm not going to get too much into networking right now, as that's what we're going to be doing later on in this course. So for right now, basically, when I type in google.com, what my computer does is first it checks if there's any specified routes in my system that tells it where google.com is. If not, then it goes out to the internet and looks for stuff. So what we're going to be doing with the hosts file is intercepting requested domains from our machine. So let's go ahead and open up Terminal, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So we're going to cd into the etc directory here. And I'm going to type sudo nano hosts. So there's a hosts file in the etc directory, and we need to go in there and edit it. Now, we've already set this route up for the next video. It's app.localhost, and that's what we're going to be using to deploy our Meteor application. But right now, I want to show you guys how this works. So the first element in the line is an IP address. That's the IP address for our case. It's going to be our local machine. And so the local IP address for this machine, for any machine, for your machine, is going to be 127.0.0.1. And that's going to tell whatever we type in next to go to localhost, and then Apache is going to pick it up from there, and it's going to do stuff with it. So I'm going to type google.com in here, and I'm going to save this. And now, when I try to go to google.com, it's going to go to my Apache default page, which is stored at var.www. or var/www/html and the main file in there. Now, what I could do from this point would be to configure a virtual host to handle google.com as its own virtual host, and in order to serve up a specified web page from my local machine. We're not going to get to that right now. We will in a few videos from now. Now I'm going to remove this because I don't want Google to always be redirected to my local machine. What I'm going to do is create a subdomain of localhost, and so it's going to be subdomain.localhost. And I'm going to save the file here. Now if I go to http subdomain.localhost, it's also going to redirect to the main HTML directory. So this is going to be necessary for the next few videos. We are going to be redirecting certain localhost addresses and subdomains to our local machine, and then we're going to get Apache to intercept them and to serve up content based on that. So I hope you guys found this video informative. In the next video, we're going to be installing our Meteor application.